planning a trip to Jamaica and wondering which ESIM will keep you connected without breaking the bank? You won't believe the differences I found after testing all the options. First, let's talk about coverage. Jamaica's main cities like Kingston, Montego Bay, and Ocho Rios have strong LTE coverage, but rural areas can be tricky. I tested ESIMs from international providers and local carriers. Digicel and Flow, Jamaica's main networks, consistently offered the fastest speeds and widest coverage. Next, cost matters. Prepaid ESIMs are convenient because you can buy them before traveling. Digicel offers packages starting at $10 USD for 1 GB, valid for 7 days, while Flow's data plans start slightly higher, but include unlimited local calls and texts. International ESIM providers like Airlo or Nomad are easy to activate before you leave home, but tend to have slightly higher data prices. Activation is where ESIMs shine. Unlike physical SIMs, there's no need to visit a store. Simply scan a QR code, follow the prompts, and you're online in minutes. I tried multiple providers, and all work seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. The surprising truth is that if you plan to use your phone mostly in tourist areas, international ESIMs are convenient and reliable. But for extended travel across Jamaica, a local Digicel or Flow ESIM will give you the best performance and value. In conclusion, the best ESIM for Jamaica depends on your travel style. For short trips focused on cities, Airlo or Nomad are hassle-free. For longer stays or exploring off the beaten path, local Digicel or Flow ESIMs provide superior coverage and pricing. Subscribe for more travel tech tips and tested ESIM recommendations worldwide.